Hello and welcome to the Concerted Care Group. I'm your host, Philip Day. Here we discuss addiction, recovery, and treatment for people looking to make a change. Our guest today is Ms. Alfreda Patterson. Hello, Alfreda.
Hello, Philip. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Great.
We do have a list of questions, but I guess the first thing I would like to ask you is, what is your title at the Concerted Care Group in Baltimore?
I am a substance abuse counselor,
Okay.
and I do intensive outpatient and outpatient.
Okay, very good. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you.
How long have you been with the Concerted Care Group?
I began here September 14th, 2015, so I'm coming up on 2 years.
Okay. Now, you've been in this business for a long time. What motivated you to work in this field?
Well, actually, some personal experience, and also I always love to help people, especially those that have need for assistance and services. I always like to assist with giving resources, and especially those that suffer from substance use disorders.
Okay. Speaking of substance abuse disorders, what do you enjoy most about working in recovery?
I think the outcome. So you see them come in so beat up and torn down, and they start going to groups, start getting services. They reach that level of recovery where they're able to do things on their own, and just seeing them come from 0 to 100. I love the outcome. The outcome is tremendous, and is enlightening. It's very enlightening.
Okay. Well, what do you think, though, is the most challenging part of your job? And I know there are a lot of challenges. What's the biggest challenge?
Personal challenges, or just challenges as the job itself?
The job itself. I mean, that working with people with addictions, that's not for everybody.
So I've been asked this question before, and I cannot come up with an answer.
Oh, really?
I really can't come up with an answer because I understand that substance abuse is a challenge as a whole.
Right.
So, I mean, every challenge, Philip, I really can't come up with the answer. I've asked this question, I've been asked this question so many times, and I've always stumbled over, I don't know what the challenge is. To me, it's really not a challenge. If anything that I could say, it would be working with a client and then they're no longer here on earth. So they might die from substance use disorders or any other type of related disorders. And I guess that can be kind of disheartening. That's the only thing that I can come up with, truthfully, because I can't come up with a challenge. It's really not a challenge because it's a passion to me. And by me being passionate with addiction, then there are no challenges.
I see. Well, concerning that, what would you tell someone researching treatment choices in Baltimore?
I would say always Google, look for different searches, different treatment facilities that fit their needs, because everybody is individualized. So I would say Google, get reviews on different treatment services, and always scroll down to the one that says Concerted Care Group, because we give their whole overall treatment.
Yeah.
So you want to look for treatment that is more or less wellness. So you want that whole individual to be treated, just not for the addiction part of substance use, but all ways of treatment and service.
I see. Alfreda, thank you so much for joining us today. And I know we're going to have you back probably on a number of occasions.
Thank you.
You're welcome. As we get deeper into addiction, recovery, rehabilitation, all those topics and more.
Yes.
Because this is a relevant topic to people, no matter no matter what their situation in life, rich or poor,
Absolutely.
in any situation. This is truly a topic that we need to hear about. So
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank you
And
so much.
you are welcome. And I want to tell the audience that as we come to a close, we encourage you to visit our website, which is www.concertedcaregroup.com. Or you may call them at 410-617-0142 to find out more about our community-based substance abuse treatment and total behavioral health care. Concerted Care Group of Baltimore, Maryland has no wait to get into treatment, and we take same-day referrals. If you or someone you know is addicted, please get them help now. Please consider the Concerted Care Group of Baltimore. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you.